Another way to merge darts is to essentially cut, slash, and rotate our darts, which is a different way to accomplish this. It takes a few more steps, but it sometimes is worth it. Now, what we're going to need to do first is establish a cut line. And I'm going to essentially draw a line that runs straight from my dart outtake or dart vanishing point to where the bust point is, and same from below. And then I'm going to cut those lines and merge the dart legs here to reduce that space. And I'll show you how to clean it up afterwards. So the first thing we need to do is go into our internal polygon line tool and draw some guidelines. So I'm going to go straight over and straight down. So that was the first one, and straight down. So now I have two lines, they're internal lines. And what I can do within Edit Pattern is select them both, right click, and cut. Okay, so now I've got a piece just hanging out. And what I know though is that these two lines need to merge. And it's going to have a hard time if I've got some extra points here. So within Edit Pattern, I'm going to delete those points, which creates a straight line. I'm then going to highlight both the two lines of my previous dart with a highlight with my left click, and then Shift select my second. And when I have those both highlighted, I'm going to right click to go to merge. And it's going to merge those two. Now, if we remember, this point here is our rotational point, the bust point, and this is the location where we need to have our dart vanishing points. So here we go back into Edit Pattern. We're going to delete this point and delete either one of these points here. So this was my original, and this was created afterwards. So I'm going to leave my original and delete that one there. And now I have a merged point. Again, you might want to delete this extra point here or leave it as a marker. And you may want to delete the baseline that remains after rotating that dart.